grade 3s. This week we are going to learn about letter writing. So you might be wondering, what is a letter? A letter is a way to communicate. And there's different reasons that we might write a letter. And so let's see if we can think of what some of those reasons are. Why do we write letters? Lots of people write letters to keep in touch with their friends and family. Some people use letters to deliver important information to other people. I know, some people use letters to invite people to other things, or to send out invitations to a birthday party or a celebration. Some other reasons why people might write letters is to communicate a thank you or an apology to another person. Sometimes businesses will send you a letter with important information. So grade 3s, letters are used to communicate, and they can communicate so many different things. So this week, we're going to be learning more about writing letters. And some of the things you guys are going to learn this week are the difference between formal messaging and informal messaging, as well as the parts of a letter. And so some of the parts of a letter that you guys are going to learn about are the date, greeting, body, closing, and signature. These are all things that you need to write a good letter.